Rebuilding trust in relationships. Trust is an essential element of any relationship. It is the foundation of connection and understanding between two people, and it is vital for healthy communication. When trust is broken, it can be difficult to rebuild and restore the relationship. Trust can be broken in a variety of ways. It can be caused by a betrayal of trust, dishonesty, or a breach of confidentiality. It can also be caused by a lack of communication or a lack of respect for the other person. When trust is broken, it can be difficult to repair the relationship. It is important to take time to reflect on what happened and to communicate openly and honestly about the situation. It is also important to take responsibility for one's actions and to apologize sincerely. It is also important to be patient and understanding. It can take time for the other person to trust again, and it is important to be respectful of their feelings and to give them the space they need to heal. It is also important to be open and honest with them and to be willing to listen to their concerns. It is also important to take steps to rebuild the trust. This can include being open and honest about one's feelings, taking responsibility for one's actions, and being willing to make changes in order to rebuild the trust. It is also important to be consistent in one's actions and to show that one is trustworthy. It is also important to take the time to reconnect. This can include spending quality time together, engaging in activities that bring joy, and being willing to listen and understand the other person's feelings. It is also important to express appreciation and love for one another. Trust building in relationships can be a difficult process, but it is possible. It is important to be patient, understanding, and open to rebuilding the trust. It is also important to take the time to reconnect and to express appreciation and love for one another.